Alright guys, this is my weekly analysis on GBP USD. I like analyzing in the daily time frame, 4 hour, then I narrow down to 15 minutes and execute on 5 minutes. So on this one, I'm just going to show you what I'm seeing on this chart, and I've already marked out some lines here. I'll show you. So if we just take a look back at take a little look back here, we can see that price was making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, again higher highs, a higher low, failed to make a higher high, failed to make a lower low. Price started ranging right here, and then eventually we had a break right there, and then another move to the upside, which was a break. But looking at price action, this was just a sweep. Then we moved to lower until we broke the structure to the downside, and then we had a pullback right here. This is a pullback into the extreme of order block there. So right now, after NFP on Friday, we saw a huge move down here, a huge move down right there. So what I'm expecting price to continue lower, to the downside right there. Okay, so why do I think the price is going to go lower? Well, it's because, let's just remove this. If you see my markups right here, let's just zoom in. If you see my markup right here, the pullback started from the FVG. This is the daily FVG. It's a bullish FVG fair value gap. It pushed all the price all the way up, taking up the buy sides here, another buy sides here. So, and then tapped into the order block, which is the bearish order block right there. So after the NFP, we saw a huge move to the downside here. So what I'm expecting price to do right there, I'm expecting price to continue this down move, maybe tap into this FVG right there, and then pull back to fill up the liquidity void right here, to fill it up, and then tap into the order block, probably to the consequent encouragement, and then continue lower, breaking the fair value gap there, maybe a reaction to the fair value gap, then continue lower, attacking this fair value gap right here, probably react to it somewhere there, and then continue lower, attacking the sell side liquidity that is down there. So let's just, yeah, so here we have the sell side down here. Yeah, so why do I think it's going to attack this sell side? It's because if you take a look back right here, we are taking the buy side taken, and then we are pushing lower now to take out all this liquidity that is sitting right here. So this is my bias for this week. So I'll be expecting right here to have a little range, maybe a little pullback, but not to the order block. I do not want it to go to the order block. That is what I would love to see. And then a big push down into this FVG, the fair value gap. Then here I'll watch the price and see what the price does here. If it shows a huge rejection here, then definitely I'll be looking to buy this and then target the daily of order block right there, which will be in the premium. because remember, always sell in the premium, then buy in the discount. So this is what I'm looking at this week on GBP USD. So you can tell me what you think in the comment section, and if you like my analysis, please make sure you let me know and tell me which asset you want me to analyze, then I'll do it for you. But for this one, this is what I'm looking at. I'm recording this just as journaling of my analysis to see how much I've learned in the Forex market. So yeah, that's it.